The United States Air Force has long been at the forefront of strategic bomber technology, fielding some of the most advanced aircraft in the world. The evolution of its bomber fleet not only reflects advancements in aerospace technology, but also strategic shifts in how the US plans to project power and deter adversaries in an increasingly complex global theater. This progression ensures that the US bomber fleet remains ready and capable of addressing any threats that may arise, securing its place as a crucial element of national defense strategy. Let's start with an overachiever that holds 61 world records for speed, payload, and distance. The B-1B Lancer, aka the Bone, is a swing-wing bomber intended for high-speed, low-altitude penetration missions. When we say low, we mean like 15 stories low. This bomber can fly at night through mountains as low as 200 feet without being detected by air defense systems. And the Bone is not a tiny bird either. When fully extended, the B-1B's wings reach a remarkable 130 feet, nearly twice the width of a standard 747-400's wings at 212 feet. Holding the title for the largest internal payload among contemporary bombers, it is a prominent member of the US Air Force's strategic bomber trio. This aircraft can carry 75,000 pounds of payload at supersonic speeds while maintaining a radar profile under 1% of the B-52 Stratofortresses. During the first 6 months of Operation Enduring Freedom, 8 B-1Bs dropped nearly 40% of the total tonnage delivered by coalition air forces. It can also sport an additional 50,000 pounds of external weaponry on pylons under its wings, bringing the total payload up to a jaw-dropping 125,000 pounds. This aircraft can carry air-launched cruise missiles, general-purpose bombs, cluster munitions, joint direct attack munitions, and laser joint direct attack munitions. It can also deploy MOAB, or Massive Ordnance Air Blast, the largest conventional bomb ever made. With a weapon load of 37,000 pounds, the B-1B can fly 4,600 miles without refueling. The B-1B has swept wings, which means the wings point backward rather than straight across. The wings are also adjustable and can be shifted from 15 to 67.5 degrees. The forward wing configuration is used for takeoff landings and high-altitude maximum cruise speed, whereas the wings are generally set in the aft configuration, with the wings closer to the tail during high subsonic and supersonic flight. The B-1B Lancer is equipped with the Northrop Grumman APQ-164, a versatile radar system featuring an electronically scanned phased array antenna. The terrain-following capability of the B-1B is particularly notable, as it scans the terrain ahead and assists in flying as low as 200 feet above ground level, enabling the aircraft to closely follow the landscape. The aircraft is operated by 4 crew members: pilot, co-pilot, defensive systems operator, or DSO, and offensive systems operator, or OSO. Embracing Agile Scheduling Team, or BEAST initiative, aims to prolong the B-1B Lancer's service life and combat effectiveness well into 2040 and beyond, marking a significant enhancement of this renowned aircraft. While the B-1B, with its impressive speed and payload capacity, excels in delivering massive quantities of precision and non-precision weapons, it operates under the limitation of being more detectable by enemy radar systems. Enter the B-2 Spirit, a leap forward in stealth technology. This aircraft was designed from the ground up with stealth as a priority, featuring a unique flying wing design that drastically minimizes its radar cross-section. When the US faces conflict, the award-winning B-2 Spirit heavy bomber is the deadly shadow of the first night. In Operation Allied Force, it executed less than 1% of missions, but delivered a defining strike, annihilating 33% of targets in the initial 8 weeks. Its stealth game, unmatched, with not a single missile daring to challenge its dominance in the skies. It is the only known in-service aircraft that can carry large air-to-surface standoff weapons in a stealth configuration. The B-2 Spirit, with its distinct bat-like silhouette, stands as a testament to the technological prowess of the US military. Utilizing composite materials in its innovative design, the B-2's radar-absorbing structure rendered it nearly undetectable to adversaries. To realize this aircraft, Northrop Grumman embarked on a journey of invention, crafting everything from scratch. This comprehensive endeavor encompassed tools, a dedicated software lab, unique composite materials, state-of-the-art testing equipment, 3D modeling, computer systems, and the accompanying manufacturing procedures. Introduced to the world in 1988, the B-2 Spirit journeyed through several phases of development and encountered challenges, notably with its stealth coating. However, by April 1997, the aircraft had fully realized its potential and operational capabilities. The B-2 measures 69 feet in length, stands 17 feet tall, and boasts a 172-foot wingspan, equivalent to half the length of a football field. This bomber has a maximum takeoff weight of 376,000 pounds and a range of 6,900 miles. The B-2 is designed with a two-person crew, a pilot on the left and a mission commander on the right. It also offers space for an additional crew member if required. Thanks to its advanced automation, the B-2 allows one crew member to rest, use the restroom, or prepare a meal, while the other oversees the aircraft's operations, a unique feature not typically found in other two-seater planes. The B-2 Spirit's radar system and avionics represent a blend of pioneering technology and innovative design. Central to its capabilities is the APQ-118, a multi-mode, high-resolution synthetic aperture radar system. This radar is specifically tailored to penetrate enemy defenses, providing the B-2 with a detailed, real-time picture of the battlefield and enhancing its target acquisition and bombing accuracy. Integrated into the aircraft's radar is its ability to function as both a ground mapping radar and a radar detector, a dual function that significantly improves the bomber's evasion and stealth tactics. The B-2 bomber's stealth capabilities allow it to bypass advanced anti-aircraft defenses, enabling it to strike even the most fortified targets. This ability to go undetected arises from its multispectral camouflage, which reduces its acoustic, infrared, visual, and radar footprints. Its stealth nature diminishes the need for additional support aircraft, such as those for air cover or electronic countermeasures, enhancing its role as a force multiplier. It is so stealthy that no surface-to-air missile was ever launched at a B-2. The bomber's anti-reflective paint helps minimize its visibility in daylight. Given its high-altitude flight path at 50,000 feet, its dark gray underside merges with the sky, making it less discernible. Maintaining its stealth coating requires housing the aircraft in specialized $5 million air-conditioned hangars. Every 7 years, this unique coating undergoes a gentle cleaning process using crystallized wheat starch to check for surface damage. Its engines are buried deep inside the fuselage in order to minimize the thermal visibility or infrared signature of the exhaust. When the B-2 takes action, it delivers a thundering message. This bomber boasts the AGM-158A JASSM and the enhanced AGM-158B JASSM-ER missiles. Their inclusion ensures that the B-2 can strike targets from a safe distance without the risk of entering zones protected by hostile air defense systems. The B-2 boasts a diverse range of conventional weaponry, including the Mark 82 and the Mark 84 bombs, CBU-87 combined effects munitions, Gator mines, and the CBU-97 sensor-fused weapon. The B-2 can carry two Massive Ordnance Penetrator, or MOP, a 30,000-pound weapon designed to target reinforced bunkers, making it the only aircraft compatible with this weapon. The B-2 Spirit's unparalleled capabilities came at a price, making it the most expensive aircraft of its era at around $900 million per unit. It's worth noting that while the aim was to have a fleet of 132 B-2 bombers, budgetary constraints reduced this number to 21. An unfortunate crash in 2008 further brought the count to 20. As defense technology evolved, the B-21 Raider was introduced in 2022 as its successor. As for the future, the B-2 Spirit is projected to serve the skies until the mid-2030s, ensuring that its legacy as a marvel of aviation and defense technology endures. Marking its inaugural flight on November 10, 2023, the Raider stands as a testament to a new dawn in military aviation. As the first 21st century bomber, the B-21 is a marvel of engineering. In an era where the stealth race between the United States and its rivals reaches new heights, the B-21 Raider emerges as a game-changer in aerial warfare. In terms of its role and capabilities, the B-21 isn't just another addition to the fleet. It's the backbone of the future Air Force bomber force. The B-21 Raider's stealth features embody advanced engineering, focusing on minimizing its radar and infrared signatures. Its design incorporates a secondary air intake on top of each nacelle, similar to the B-2, but with a notable difference. The B-21 likely has just one engine in each nacelle, inferred from the presence of a single intake door per nacelle. This twin-engine configuration is a strategic design choice for stealth optimization. Perhaps one of the most striking distinctions lies in the physical dimensions of the B-21 compared to the B-2. The Raider's smaller frame, with an estimated wingspan at least 25% shorter than the B-2's 172 feet, translates into a stealthier and more efficient aircraft. This size reduction, coupled with a payload capacity of about half of the B-2's 60,000 pounds, doesn't diminish its lethality, but rather enhances its stealth and range capabilities. This makes the B-21 harder to detect on radar, offering superior survivability and operational flexibility in contested airspaces. The B-21 Raider is expected to carry a broad array of sophisticated weapon systems. Its arsenal is anticipated to include the latest in precision-guided munitions, such as the Joint Direct Attack Munition, or JDAM series, which provides accurate GPS-guided bombing options. Additionally, the Raider is likely to be compatible with the B-61-12 nuclear bombs, ensuring its role as a key component in the US nuclear triad. Lastly, the B-21 Raider's design philosophy embraces the trend of modularity and upgradability in modern military aviation. Unlike previous systems, the B-21's hardware and software are not inextricably linked, allowing for easier upgrades and expansions in capabilities. The estimated unit procurement cost of the B-21 Raider reached $692 million in 2022 dollars, representing a significant commitment on behalf of the USAF. This concludes our episode that provides a glimpse into the USAF's modern bombers. There are, of course, many other remarkable aircraft in the US military's inventory. So, what do you think about these iconic aircraft? What other pieces of military hardware would you like us to cover in our future episodes? Also, if you were lucky enough to see one of the aircraft mentioned in this video up close, or better yet, flew one, please comment. Remember to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell to stay updated with our latest content. And while you're here, why not check out another one of our exciting videos? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.